ISR, the Scriptures, 2009 edition, Proverbs, Mishlei, chapter 29. One often reproved, hardening his neck, is suddenly broken, and there is no healing. When the righteous increase, the people rejoice, but when a wrong one rules, the people sigh. He who loves wisdom gladdens his father, but a companion of whores destroys his wealth. A sovereign establishes a land by right ruling, but one who receives bribes throws it down. A man who flatters his neighbor spreads a net for his own feet. An evil man is ensnared by transgression, but the righteous sings and rejoices. The righteous knows the plea of the poor. The wrong does not understand such knowledge. Scoffers ensnare a city, but the wise turn away wrath. When a wise man disputes with a foolish man, whether he rages or laughs, there is no peace. Bloodthirsty men hate the perfect and seek the life of the straight. A fool lets out all his breath, but the wise keeping it back calms it down. If a ruler listens to lying words, all his servants become wrong. The poor man and the oppressor have this in common: Yahuwah gives light to the eyes of both. The sovereign who rightly rules the poor with truth, his throne is established forever. A rod and reproof give wisdom, but a child unrestrained brings shame to his mother. When the wrong become many, transgression increases, but the righteous look on their fall. Discipline your son, and he brings you rest and delight to your life. Where there is no vision, the people are let loose, but blessed is he who guards the Torah. A servant is not disciplined by words. Though he understands, he does not respond. Have you seen a man hasty in his words? There is more expectancy for a fool than for him. He who deals tenderly with his servant from youth has him as a son in the end. A man of displeasure stirs up strife, and a master of rage has many a transgression. The pride of man brings him low, but the humble in spirit obtains esteem. He who shares with a thief hates his own life. He hears an oath, but does not report. The fear of man brings a snare, but whoever trusts in Yahuwah is set on high. Many seek the face of a ruler, but right ruling for man comes from Yahuwah. An unrighteous man is an abomination to the righteous, and he who is straight in the way is an abomination to the wrong.